What is directional solidification? Directional solidification refers to the process of producing a casting that is free from voids or shrinkage defects by feeding the molten metal into the mold. Let's now discuss how this solidification process takes place. When we pour the molten metal into the sand mold, we see that the molten metal solidifies in the mold cavity, resulting in the formation of a solid shell of specific thickness in the internal surface of the mold. The region where the solid shell exists is referred to as the solid zone. Now, above this solid zone, we see that there exists a pasty mass of metal, which is half solid and half liquid in nature. The region where this pasty mass of metal exists is referred to as the mushy zone. Now, above this mushy zone, we see that the metal exists in liquid form. The region where this liquid metal exists is referred to as the liquid zone. Let's now place our focus on the solidification process. When the molten metal solidifies in the mold cavity, we see that it creates voids inside it. These voids are filled by the liquid metal that flows from the mushy zone and liquid zone. Now, after the mold cavity solidifies, the molten metal solidifies at the riser. This step-by-step solidification from the sprue to the mold cavity and then to the riser is responsible for eliminating voids and internal cavities in the mold. Such step-by-step solidification process is known as directional solidification. Thus, we can say that directional solidification is the solidification of molten metal from the sprue to the mold cavity and then to the riser to produce a casting which is free from voids and internal cavities.